my friends, and welcome back to Where Wendy Travels. Today I want to review this set of 8 packing cubes in a cream color, purchased on Amazon, and it looks like it's called a travel packing cube set. So first of all, it says, "Dear customer, thank you very much for choosing this product. As a seller of travel packing organizers, we do not advocate for excessive packaging. Over packaging can cause tearing issues with the product itself, which is negatively impacting your purchase." So let's go ahead and open this up. And again, no flashy problem with it. It's a set of 8 packing cubes. It is item number POT 3 V as in Victor 148. So again, pot 3 Victor 148, if that means something. All right, so let's open these up and see what we have, because it is time to pack for our next vacation. I am so excited. And this is manufacturer support, 2-year product warranty, 30-day free return and replacement. Shows you how to pack pants, how to pack shirts, and what your different items can hold. It says that the small can hold 6 shirts, the medium 10 shirts or 2 pants, and the large 10 shirts or 2 pants, the extra large 12 shirts and 3 pants. So the large again was 10 shirts and 2 pants. The extra large is 12 shirts and 3 pants. So let's open it up and see what we have here. We have our packing cube with the hooks and loops. That's nice. It looks like it's in a nice little hanger organizer for your makeup, for your shower. It has a holder here. I really like that. So you can hook it over maybe your purse strap or your luggage rack, your closet doorknobs, your hangers. And let's go ahead and open this up, take these out. And we have, that feels like I'm still missing something in here. Let's see if we can get it open. There's a zipper across the front. There are, laundry bags. Looks like a laundry bag here. So this is 1 piece. This looks like 2 piece, which is just a simple little zipper. Can be from any of your intimates to your makeup to your travel accessories, what you have there. And this is 3, so we have 3 pieces. And our 4th piece, hanger zip bag. That's nice to have a little hanger piece here. You can put it over a hanger. These are not compression packing. These are just cube packing packages. So it looks like the name of it is Olar Hike, Olarhike. It's a beautiful little set. Oh, and look at this. It's got a little travel set, a full zipper around here. So this is very nice. And this is number 5 piece. So I can fill this up. This expands to be a nice little cube. This is a much smaller piece. So this is a double zipper. And if we open this all the way around, it does open up just like the others. So it has a triangle effect in it that opens up. You've got a nice little hanger here as well for that. Oh, and our last 2, this must be the large, what they consider a large. And this is an extra large. So it looks like the extra large is where I can put a couple of sweaters and a couple of pair of pants. It claims to fit 12 shirts, and I believe it said 3 pair of pants. So this one will have one of the mainstays in there, and coordinating with the large. This must be the medium. This is the small. Then we have the various travel pieces with the little zipper bag and the laundry bag, which does double, it looks like, with a backpack. put it around your shoulders, carry your water bottle, your essentials right there, easy to carry. Okay, so let's go ahead and they look like they're made well. They're in easy to clean fabric, which I really like. The hooks are nice. The zippers, the hooks and loops, the little mesh on each of the pieces is a nice touch. Extra pocket here in the front. Nice for coordinating different items. And I love this on each piece. It does have this holder to make it easy to hold. So now we are going to go and we are going to pack these. So let's go ahead and demonstrate and see if it holds all the items. But as of right now, I am utterly delighted with my new set of packing materials. It's going to help me keep organized. And I am going to have 2 nights in one hotel, 2 nights in another hotel, overseas, and then I'm going to have 7 nights on waterways. So I can separate my different clothing, what I need, and I won't even have to open half of these until I get where I'm going. I can simply have a medium and a large bag for my first 2 hotels, so 1 in each hotel. And then all of this, when I get to Amma, it's going to coordinate, fit nicely in the drawers, hang up in the shower. So we are going to be organized this trip. And thank you for joining me today. So far, I really like these pieces that I have received. And again, the name is not on the instruction, which I find interesting. But on a couple of these pieces, all of the larger pieces, it is Olar Hike. And again, they are not compression, but they are organization, and let's go fill them. Have a great day, my friends. And hit that subscribe button. That way you get to see them filled, and I will let you know if they really fit all the items that they say they do. Alrighty, my friends. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.